Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great. I'm having a good time recently. Today, I guess I thought that I will show you my current projects, programming projects on different platforms, and just for the sake of it, just to brag, just to show you what I'm currently doing. Uh, I'm currently involved in writing two books, so I've got not that much time for game coding, but the projects are mainly on hold, but I'm sure that I will soon come back to them. And here's what I'm working on. Take a look. First thing is a PC and mobile phones game based on my Commodore game, Wrecking Ball. This game is made in Unity engine. This one, okay, in Unity engine, and it's very funny. Unity is very funny environment for creating stuff because everything is scripted. Uh, all the objects can be scripted, and placing the objects is just by loading the assets, the 3D objects, and I will show you other levels. Uh, uh, the main engine is ready. The main objects functionalities are ready, uh, and the funny thing is that uh, porting the levels uh, from the Commodore to the Unity is simply by putting the array into the Unity scripts, so it's very convenient, very fast, and this way I can have multiple levels, on two platforms for the price of one. For the price of one, yeah. So this is the PC project, and now for a minute I will show you Commodore version of the game I'm currently working on. Okay, it takes some time. Wait a minute. I've got loads of lots of catalogs. Sometimes I get lost. Yes, this is the Commodore game I just finished working on. It will be released by Retronics EU. This is a company by my friend, and uh, I will post a email to this guy. If you want to purchase the game, you can write to him. This is the official channel for the customers. So yeah, this is a arcade and some logic game. As you can see here, you can enter the code. There are 40 levels. You can set the mode to easy or normal. In easy mode, there are 10 more seconds, and you can play 40 levels. And as you can see, it's very similar to PC version, the same layout. I'll show you a couple levels just for the sake of it. Yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome. When you press fire, you toggle between two screen modes. One mode is when you move joystick, the background moves, and the second mode is uh, fixed background. Fixed background. So usually I play with fixed background. My keyboard is a little bit unstable, so sometimes it's hard to move properly. Actually, I bought this computer for like 500 euro, and it's second-hand computer, uh, uh, but I use it extensively, and the keyboard starts to be less responsive now, but I'm very happy with the computer. It the new one costs like about 2,000 euro or something like that. I've got no problems with it whatsoever, so I can recommend buying second-hand computers if you need one. Yeah, this is a Commodore version of the game. My friend Klaus has made all the levels. He's a very brilliant guy. He really has got good intuition and uh, imagination. He's got nice imagination. I'm really he's very nice guy. I believe his surname is Klaus Morel, and uh, he's really nice guy. We are both in Hokute Force uh, scene group, demo scene group. So yeah, the music was made by Ehrlich Project, and some other music was made by Jammer. Yeah, so this is the wrecking ball for Commodore, and now I would like to show you some of the Atari projects. The first one is, you probably are familiar with it because I've shown it already. Yeah, couple times. But this is a game heavily inspired. Really, you know, uh, I was really, amazed mm, by the ZX Spectrum game Invasion of the Zombie Monsters. I think this is a brilliant game, and it was based on character movement. All the movement is done with a character precision, and believe me, it's not that simple to create a game with a character precision, but I just love the simplicity of it. It's just amazing. This game, I recommend to check it out. It's called Invasion of the Zombie Monsters, and this game is brilliant, really brilliant. And this is my little tribute to this game. Yes, another project that I'm currently working on is 3D game, as you can see. It's sometimes hard to spot the enemy. Damn it. Yeah. So basically this is the Raycasting game. Here's the map. And this is some mm, well, the main engine is already done. Uh, there are still levels to be created and adding some enemies. It's still on hold, but I guess I'll come back to it sooner or later. I guess it can be a fun game. Maybe I'll add network uh, mm, a network version of this game so people can play in mm, multiplayer mode. The the raycasting engine is not perfect, as you can see, but it's recognizable. With a map, it's easier to move. Yes, and I guess it can be a fun game. And the last one is the game I was creating for. No, sorry, not this. I was creating for NES. NES is a brilliant piece of hardware with lots of possibilities and many sprites, but the downside of it is that only you can only do changes of the image of the screen during the V blank, H blank, uh, no, sorry, V blank. Mm, uh, uh, it's like very short period of time when you can manipulate on graphics. So it's similar to the Game Boy, but otherwise the NES is very convenient and very nice hardware to work on, and I really like it. Uh, as you can see, the engine is almost ready. All it takes is to create levels and new enemies, new backgrounds. I will show you some of the first level created, and I guess I will finish it sooner or later. So yeah, this is it. This is the first level. So so thank you guys for watching this. I hope you are having a good time playing games, some on retro systems and not always on retro systems. And the weekend is approaching, so I hope you guys have a good weekend, and thank you very much for listening. Bye.